Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I will teach you how to play Forever by the Ambassadors on a ukulele. So first, grab your ukulele and tune it to standard tuning. And let's begin. So, una muna tayo sa intro. So, first part is first fret dito sa C na string. Then hammer pa tong third fret. Then open string sa E na string. Okay. The next is same lang. Then tungo kayo sa 9th fret sa E na string, then 7th fret twice, then balik sa 9th fret, then 10th fret. Then balik dito, chord na A, chord na A, then ito sa C string, first fret, then hammer from open string to second fret ng E na string, then open string sa E na string. Then second fret sa E na string, then patungong 5th fret, then E na chord. Then plop nyo dito ang G na string and C na string, then 5th fret ng E na string and 4th fret ng E na string. Then, tungo tayo sa verse. So, ang chords dito, A, D, then E, then balik sa D, then E. Then, sa last part ng verse ay D, A, B minor, then E. Yan ang strumming pattern na gagamitin natin dito ay down, up, down, up. So, balik tayo sa intro, then pasok tayo sa verse. I may burn like a candle, and I may pass away. I may fall just like a shooting star. My mistake, I'll be yours until forever. Forever I'll be true to the promise I made from the day that I found you. Forever you're mine. Even if we're apart. Then sa chorus ay D, A, B minor, E. So gagawin yan 4 times. Then after nyan ay D, then E, twice, then A, D, B minor, then E. Forever you're in my heart. Even if we're apart, I say forever I'll be yours. Forever I'll love you. I say forever I'll Stay with me and be by my side. Take my hand and we'll work it out. Then balik sa chorus. So sa pangalawang chorus, after ng D at E, or ang D at E, ay gagawin lang yan once. Then pagkatapos nyan ay A, then G, then A. And this will be the end of the song. So balik tayo sa last part ng chorus, then pasok tayo sa second chorus. So hear me please, I beg you, don't walk away, I need you. Stay with me and live by my side. Take my hand and we'll work it out until forever I'll be yours. Forever I love you, I say. Forever I'll be yours. Forever I'll be true. My love will never fade away. Even if I die, I will love you till the end of time. Even without your smile, so hear me please, I beg you to stay. So yun ang kantang Forever by the Ambassadors. So salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.